What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DaVintage Man back at another video. Today I had to post this video for you guys, for my subscribers, to let you guys know that there will be a restock over these Yeezy triple black non-reflective 350 V2s, man. You need to be aware. I know a lot of people take an L. Even me, when I first, did a vlog and people was fighting over this shoe. Go check the video out. Maybe I'll throw some clips in right here, but if not, I'm gonna definitely leave a link in the description box below so you can go check it out. Crazy pickup vlog. Dude, the store was supposed to hold me down on a pair, but the release was so crazy. It was so many people out there that he didn't expect it. He did not expect there to be that many people outside. People was fighting. People was like bum rushing the door. And, you know, over there in Germany, they already don't have no type of respect for personal space, man. So it's people on top of people, and it was crazy. And I was happy I was able to record my experience for a sneaker release like that overseas, man. So it's a very dope experience. Before we get too deep into the video, man, right now what I need you to do is subscribe right now, man. We are less than 20 subs. Less than 20 subs away from 20,000 subscribers, man. Help your boy out. Like the video, subscribe, ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video. And follow me over on IG at DaVintageWorld and take advantage of the giveaway for a free pair of Air Jordan 11 breads, man. Free of charge to you. Whatever size you want, you can get it. All you gotta do is follow the rules. So go check out the Air Jordan 11 giveaway video, and the rules will be under this video as well, man. So take advantage of that. And with all that being said, we're gonna jump right into the details over these 350 V2 triple black non-reflectors, man. Let's get it. All right, first things first, you already know that the Yeezy 350 V2 retails for 220 bucks. And these right here, the non-reflectors, will be releasing this upcoming Friday, Black Friday. So you still have a chance to enter into these raffles I'm about to tell you guys, man. The first one is Foot Locker right here. I got a 9-minute head start. Check it out. So this is the first spot that you can go to right now. You still have a whole day. So I'm putting this video midday so you guys can be aware of what to do to get the pair if you're not aware of what's going on, man. So you still have time for Foot Locker. I already got a 9-minute head start. And like I said, with all my how to cops, all my tips on copping, you need to go check out check-in codes on Twitter, and you can get you some codes in so you don't have to go to the store to get those extra minute head starts, man. You can just stay at home, go to Twitter, get an extra minute head start, have a 10-minute head start, and be ahead of a whole bunch of people that don't have it, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead and take advantage of that, check-in codes on Twitter. And I also dropped a video talking about how to use, you know what I'm saying, the Foot Locker Reserved app a long time ago, man. That video did quite a bit of numbers, you know what I'm saying? I was glad I was able to help a lot of people out on using the Foot Locker Reserved app, man. All right, and the next spot you can go check out is Champ Sports. You see them right here. They also have the dark gray 12s on here, and I think they have the bloodline ones as well, man. So I already entered a raffle on those. I need to enter the raffle right now while I'm talking for the triple black Yeezys that's dropping this upcoming Black Friday. And all you got to do is click on it. We're gonna click on it, click your stores and procedures, put your zip code in. You can see my mall right there. It was kind of bright. Click your mall. I'm gonna talk y'all through it. Click the mall, hit done, select your size right here. They got a size menu down here. Go to my size 9, hit done, and confirm. So that's all you have to do, and then you can go check it out in your countdowns. That's where you can get your extra minute head starts, your check-ins and stuff like that. I actually have a 0-minute head start at Champ Sports. I need to start spending some money, but y'all do know I used to work for Champ Sports, and I had a kind of a bad experience. I wouldn't call it a bad experience. It was just something different, and I ain't spent money with Champ Sports in a long time, man. So I need to start spending some money so I can start hitting at Champ Sports, man. And the last spot is Foot Action. Of course, if you have not, check it out. Go to it, go to your stores and procedures, put your zip code in, which actually my Foot Action here around my local area is not getting them, but I'm pretty sure around yours you might get them. Put your zip code in, you know, pick your size, pick your store, all that good stuff, and then you'll be entered to win a pair of these triple black Yeezys, man. All you have to do, go get your check-in codes and stuff like that. And depending on how much money you spent with a company, that's where you get your like 8-minute head starts already, or your 7-minute head starts. With Foot Locker, I'll automatically get a 9-minute head start because I spent so much money there. All I gotta do is go to check-in codes on Twitter and go ahead and enter the zip code, and I get an extra 1-minute head start, so I get 10 minutes before everybody else, man. So it sometimes pays off to spend a little bread at these certain sneaker stores. All right, and the last spot, of course, is Yeezy Supply. They always send out emails about pre-ordering and stuff like that, Yeezy Mafia, different spots like that that are legit. I did not believe that certain spots like that was legit, but they are, man. Go check out Yeezy Supply, of course. That is the direct brand under Adidas, Yeezy Supply. And Yeezy Mafia as well does pre-orders over Yeezys, especially like a general release like this, since they are restocking them. Kanye said he want everybody to have the Yeezys, and I guess it's happening. As y'all do know, I took an L on these when I first initially tried to camp for these in Germany. I had to get them on StockX just like that, send them to the States because I was going there the next week. I spent a little penny on these guys, and all I had to do was wait, but I had to get this shoe all black. Goes with everything. Look just like the original V1 triple black Yeezys, and I was like, man, I gotta add them to the collection. But I appreciate everybody for tuning into this video. I hope you learned something. Every how to cop video, I'm trying to inform you guys on how to cop certain sneakers and let you guys be aware of certain things that you might not have known before. Like I said, we're less than 20 subs away from that 20K. Help your boy out. Like, comment, subscribe, and ring notification bell for your boy. And follow me over on IG at DaVintageWorld. All that is a part of the giveaway rules for the Air Jordan 11 breads. If you do want to enter, go check out the Air Jordan 11 giveaway video, and you can enter the giveaway. It's super easy. I appreciate all love and support. Thank you for tuning in. And with all that being said, good luck on copping these Yeezy triple black 350 V2s, man. Peace.